When dharma, when righteousness is under attack, does God descend to earth himself? Or does he choose a warrior? History says, when injustice crosses every limit, it is no longer just a story, it becomes a divine intervention. And that intervention had a name, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, India. A land where every grain of soil carries history, every stone whispers sacrifice, and every story burns like an eternal flame. Now, that flame is about to rise again, in a grand cinematic spectacle, Raja Shivaji. With Ritesh Deshmukh stepping into the role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, this film promises more than just storytelling. It promises emotion. It promises pride. It promises a legacy reborn. This is not just the journey of a king. This is the rise of an idea, Hindvi Swarajya. If you love powerful historical stories that give you goosebumps, make sure you subscribe right now and hit the bell icon, because on this channel, Celeb Makki, we don't just tell stories, we bring history to life. Now, let's dive deeper. 17th century India. On one side, massive empires, unstoppable armies, and rulers driven by domination. On the other side, a mother's vision, Rajmata Jijabai. A woman who didn't just raise a son, she shaped a legend. She didn't teach him just how to fight, she taught him why to fight. This land is ours, and protecting it is our duty. From the shadows of small forts, a spark was ignited, a spark that would soon become a revolution. Shivaji was not born into power, he created it. With courage in his heart and strategy in his mind, he built an army that believed in something bigger than fear. He wasn't just fighting enemies, he was fighting an entire system. A system that tried to break identity, but instead created resistance. We will not bow, we will rise. The teaser of Raja Shivaji hints at a powerful clash, where Sanjay Dutt appears as a ruthless force determined to crush the Maratha uprising. But standing against him is a man who doesn't fight for power, he fights for dharma. He fights for freedom, he fights for his people. Every sword clash, every battlefield moment feels like history being rewritten in fire. When Shivaji Maharaj was crowned, it wasn't just a coronation, it was the birth of self-respect. He didn't just build a kingdom, he gave people an identity, a belief that said, we are free and we will always remain free. His story isn't just about war, it's about faith, leadership, and unbreakable spirit. Raja Shivaji is shaping up to be more than just a film. It's a visual spectacle, a historical storm, a cinematic experience filled with scale, emotion, and power. From massive battle sequences to deeply emotional moments, this film aims to bring the legend back to life for a new generation. Some stories are not just told, they become immortal. And the story of Shivaji Maharaj is one of those eternal legends. If this story gave you goosebumps, hit like and drop in the comments, Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji. I'll see you in the next cinematic story. Until then, remember, whenever righteousness is threatened, a Shivaji will rise again.